We're going to be working more on rational expressions here, but this time we're going to actually be solving equations. So some of that stuff that we've learned in the previous sections we're now going to be utilizing. So let's get started. Alright, we have 3 over 4x is equal to 9/8. So this is an equation, and we want to solve for x in this problem. In other words, we want to find a number that we can plug in right here so that both sides are equal. So there's a lot of different ways of doing this. And I'm going to start with first off eliminating these denominators here, so we no longer have a fraction, and by doing that I'm going to multiply both sides by 8, and this way I can get this 8 right to cancel out. So we're going to be left with 8 times 3 over 4x is equal to 9. But now look at this. 4 goes into 8 2 times. Okay? And 2 times 3 is 6. So let's just do that. Right? 4 goes into 8 2 times, and 2 times 3 is 6. So I can just write 6 over x here is equal to 9. Alright, now I want to get this x from down here up here, and I'm going to do that by multiplying both sides by x, and this way these x's here cancel out, and so you're left with 6 is equal to 9x. Like I said, there's a lot of different ways of solving for x, so you might have a preferred way. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both sides by 1/9, and that will get rid of this 9 here. Okay, so x is equal to 6 over 9. Now of course we can reduce this down. Okay, and I'm going to write it in the more standard form where the variable's over here on the left hand side. 3 goes into 6 and 3 goes into 9. 3 goes into 6 2 times. 3 goes into 9 3 times. 2/3. X is equal to 2/3. Now a way to check this, and we're not going to do this every time, but you would go back. Let's just rewrite the original here. 3 over 4x is equal to 9 over 8. So you would take this 2/3 and plug it in for the x here. So we'd have 3 over 4 times 2/3, and that's got to equal 9 over 8 now. Well, let's see if it does. So 4 times 2 is 8 over 3. Oh, and that's all over. Forgot. Write this 3 up here. But remember how we'd handle this fraction here. You would take 3 times, you flip this guy. So you see we've already gone through all these steps. And what do we get? We get 9/8. So that is the correct solution to this equation. Okay. Let's see here. And of course, always forget that. We have 5 over x minus 3 is equal to 2 over x. And we want to find the solution set. In other words, we want to solve for x in this problem.